What is full stack developer? Full stack developer is an engineer who works on both client side as well as server side of the software application. So developer handles a front end as well as back end, database, server, API and version controlling system. So it's a complete package. So we call it as full stack developer. Welcome to my channel Support Mania. My name is Nikhil Lotke and today we will discuss about term full stack developer. So before we begin, let us understand agenda that we are going to cover in this video. So we will cover what is full stack developer, need of full stack developer, what are the skills required to understand when you will become a full stack developer. Then we will understand more of Java full stack developer, what is software stack, why we should learn that, then what actually the full stack developer do, then its salary, myths about full stack developer and small tips to grow your career in this. Let us begin. What is full stack developer? A full stack developer doesn't necessarily master in all technologies. So however, the professional is expected to work on the client as well as server sides and understand what is going on while developing the application. So he or she should have a genuine interest in all the software technologies. Well, if you observe Stack Overflow survey of developer profiles, then you might surprised to see that almost 48.2% developers claiming that they are a full stack developer. Isn't it interesting? Okay, so why do you need a full stack developer? Full stack developer helps to keep every part of system running smoothly. So which means he ensures that every part is running smooth or not. Second, full stack developer can provide help to everyone in the team and greatly reduces the time and technical cost of the team communication, which means he helps everyone to deliver certain projects. Third thing is, if the person plays a different role, then it saves companies infrastructure and operational cost. Okay, so now let us understand full stack developer skills that you should aware about. Here comes the chart. So we will begin with one by one, like front end technology. Why it is required? Because full stack developer should be master of essential front end technologies like HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, etc. So knowledge of having a third party libraries like jQuery, Angular is desirable. Development languages is also essential part. So full stack engineer should know at least one server side programming languages like Java, Python, Ruby, .NET, etc. Okay. Obviously, when you are trying to develop application, database is required. So database and cache is really important when RDBMS technologies are concerned. MySQL, MongoDB, Oracle, server side are widely used for this purpose. You should have basic design ability, which means in order to become a successful full-time web stack developer, the knowledge of designing is also recommended. Moreover, the person should know the principle of basic prototype design and UI UX design. Obviously, as a full stack developer, he should have server side knowledge, which means exposure to handling Apache servers or any other servers is desirable. A good background of Linux helps tremendously in administrating servers. A version control allows full stack developers to keep track of all the changes that they made in codebase. The knowledge of JIT helps full stack developers to understand how to get a latest code, update parts of the code, make changes in other developers' code without breaking things. Isn't it easy? Yes. So next point is like working with APIs. Whenever you call APIs, there are two things comes, REST and SOAP. So knowledge of web services and API is also important for full stack developers. What is Java full stack developer? A Java full stack developer is a developer who has expertise and deep knowledge of frameworks. The tools which are used for Java full stack development like core Java, servlet, APIs, database, web architecture, and so on. Okay, so these full stack developers should aware about this. A full stack developer can build whole applications including front end, back end, database, API, servers, and version control. Okay, so do you know about software stack? Let us learn that. Software stack is a collection of programs which are used together to produce specific result. It includes an operating system and its application. Let us understand this by example. There are three types of stack available: LAMP stack, MERN stack, and mean stack. Now let us understand what is LAMP stack. LAMP is widely used model or web service stacks. LAMP is the abbreviation of L means Linux, A means Apache, M means MySQL, P means PHP. Well, these above discussed components are supporting each other. Many popular sites and web applications run on LAMP stack. Example is a well-known application, Facebook. MERN stack. MERN stack is a collection of JavaScript based technologies. M means MongoDB, E means Express, R means React, and N means Node.js. This stack is currently in huge demand and it is widely used to develop web applications. Mean stack, its abbreviation of mean stack is M means MongoDB, E means Express, A means AngularJS, N means Node.js. Okay, now let us understand what does a full stack developer do. As a full stack developer, you may be involved in multiple activities. Activities such as translate user requirements into overall architecture and implementation of new systems, manage project and coordinate with the client, write backend code in languages like Ruby, Python, Java, PHP, .NET, etc. Writing optimized front-end code in HTML and JavaScript, understand, create and debug database related queries, create tests to validate the application against client-side requirement, monitor the performance of web applications and infrastructure, troubleshooting web applications with the fast and accurate result. Let's assume that the average salary of the full stack developer with JavaScript skills in India is above 5 lakh. If that particular guy is having Node.js skills and he is a full stack developer, then the package goes to 6 lakhs and above. Likewise, let us understand the salaries for other platforms as well, like Java, React.js and AngularJS. What are the myths about the full stack engineers? Well, the first myth is full stack developer is writing all type of code by themselves. Actual fact is he or she might know different technologies but not writing each code. Second myth is write both front-end and back-end codes. Fact is some full stack developers might code entire website if they are working as a freelancer, but it's not a given that they are mandatorily write both front-end as well as back-end. Well, let me give you few tips how you can choose your career of full stack development. If you are a fresher, then don't directly jump into this course. I would recommend 6 to 8 years experienced candidate to look for some opportunity in full stack development, because that guy might choose his core platform and where he can choose whether to go as a full Java full stack developer or .NET full stack developer or any other full stack development opportunity. Before you choose your career, you should aware or you should improve certain criteria and then go ahead. Criteria number 1, you should have ability to write quality unit tests. He or she should have complete understanding of automated process for building, testing, documenting and deploying it at scale. He or she should aware of security concerns, as each layer has its own vulnerability. Knowledge of algorithms and data structure is also an essential need for professionals. Hope you liked this video and hope you understood what is full stack developer. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video and help other full stack developers or candidates who willing to choose full stack development as his career. Thank you.